To use AI button on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select the Honor AI, and then there's AI button right here. If you enter it, then you can see the sections on the top for short press, double press, and long press. So for each of those options, you can choose different shortcuts. For example, for short press, we can go for a camera. In double press, we can have something like the Honor AI, and in long press we can have AI settings agent. Now when we have everything in use, we can go back and then find the AI button on the right side right here. Now you can use it with all of those three sections that I've shown you. So you can go for a short press, which should launch the camera in my case. Then there's the option for double press, and then there's the option for long press. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.